اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم افتح علینا حکمتک وانشر علینا رحمتک یا ذا الجلال والاکرام. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson number 10. Now we start lesson number 11, Sukoon Jazb. As you have already learned, this sign is called jazb. A letter carrying jazb is called sakin, still letters. The letters carrying jazb is pronounced in conjunction with the mutaharrik letters preceding it. Always pronounce the hamza sakna with jerk. For example, काफ हमजा ज़बर का, सीन दो ज़बर सन, का सन, या ज़बर या, शीन हमजा ज़बर शा, यशा. Always pronounce the hamza sakna with jerk. There are 5 letters of qalqala: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. There are 5 letters of qalqala: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Their combination is kutubu jaddin. The meaning of qalqala is movement. There should be somewhat movement at the Makharij. When pronouncing these letters such that the sound rebounds. When the letters of qalqala are sakin, qalqala should be more permanent. In this lesson, take special care for correct pronunciation of the letters of qalqala and the hamza sakna, and distinguish clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar. Let's start. Hamza ta zabar at, hamza ta zer id, hamza ta pesh ut, at, id, ut. Hamza twa zabar at, hamza twa zer id, hamza twa pesh ut, at, it, ut. Twa pronounced with thicker voice. Its mustaliya letter. Twa is letter of qalqala. When the letter of qalqala is sakin, qalqala should be more permanent. When the pronouncing the letter of qalqala such that the sound rebounds. Hamza za zabar az, hamza za zer is, hamza za pesh uz, az, is, uz. Hamza zal zabar az, hamza zal zer is, hamza zal pesh uz, az, is, uz. Hamza zwa zabar az, hamza zwa zer is, hamza zwa pesh uz, az, is, uz. Zwa pronounced with thicker voice. Its mustaliya letter. Hamza sa zabar as, hamza sa zer is, hamza sa pesh uz, as, is, uz. Hamza sin zabar as, hamza sin zer is, hamza sin pesh us, as, is, us. Hamza swa zabar as, hamza swa zer is, hamza swat pesh us, as, is, us. Swat pronounced with thicker voice. Its mustaliya letter. Hamza dal zabar ad, hamza dal zer id, hamza dal pesh ud, ad, id, ud. Dal is a letter of qalqala. When the letter of qalqala is sakin, qalqala should be more permanent. When the pronouncing the letter of qalqala such that the sound rebounds. Hamza dwa zabar ad, hamza dwa zabar ad, hamza dwad zer id, hamza dwad pesh ud, ad, id, ud. Dwat pronounced with thicker voice, its mustaliya letter. Sadaqallahul Azim.